How to fix blurry backgrounds or strip images on Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to fix the blurriness into your images on a background or a strip image into your Wix website. The process is going to be very easy and simple. We only need one solution, and it is going to be reducing the size or the not exactly the quality, but we're going to say the condensation of the image. So we are going to make it a little bit um, here not heavy and also smooth to navigate from, and also to load, or a little bit lighter. So we can go ahead and head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and open up the website editor. Once we have been here, as you can see, this is a strip, so it has an image. Or we can go ahead and have, for example, a section with a background image. We're going to have an image in there. So the image should be either an image from Wix. Usually the stock images are going to be regulated automatically and not going to be blurry at all when they are loaded. And if you're going to have a problem with your own images, you can go ahead and have the search on Google for image compressor, for example, compressor, and it is going to be there. So you're going basically to head over the image compressor, any type of image compressor, add your image, and it is going to reduce the size. Once the size has been reduced, you can go ahead and upload your image. For example, this strip one, I can go ahead and double tap, or not double tap, but basically we can go ahead and change the background color of it. As you can see, it is going to be an image, for example. Instead, for example, I'm not going to say that this is an image, but we can go ahead and have this grading color set up as an image, and we can go ahead and click on settings, and then we're going to edit the image as it is. Also for this one, as you can see, we can edit the image by heading over the editor, and basically we cannot do much from there aside from setting up the background, as you can see, and make it maybe something like a color instead of an image. And here we go. So it is going to be a question of the heaviness of the image. The lighter the image is going to be, the not blurry or the less blurry it is going to be on the loading. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you on the next one.